Hi, my name is Angela Hainsworth-Brosseau, your RBC Mortgage Specialist here in Brandon, Manitoba. Today I want to talk to you about what do you need document-wise to get pre-approved. The first step is that we're going to look at your income documents. So if you're employed full-time and there's no overtime and commission, then really all we're going to need is your last T4 and a recent pay stub. If you do get overtime and commission, I'm going to ask you for your last 2 T4s and a recent pay stub. And of course, if you're self-employed, then we're going to need your last 2 years of your tax returns. The next step that we're going to look at is your down payment verification. So you're going to need a minimum of 5% down payment, and to avoid any type of CMHC or default insurance premiums, you're going to need 20% down payment. So down payment verification can come from checking, savings, it can come from an investment, it can come from an RRSP as a first-time home buyer, where you'll have up to 15 years to pay that back. So every year you'd pay 1/15 back towards your RRSP, and that way you'd have no default requirements at the end. Your RSP would be paid back. So it's a great way as a first-time home buyer to get into the market by using your RSPs. The next thing that you can do is also a gift letter. So if you are one of those lucky ones that have a family member that's willing to give you some money towards down payment, then we'd just give you a gift letter to have signed in return for us. The next step that we'd be looking at is we'd pull your credit bureau. Your credit bureau is going to tell us how you paid your bills in the past, and it's going to give us a really good indication of how you plan to pay your bills in the future. And the last thing we look at is also assets. What do you have for assets and savings? Do you have anything saved up, or are you using everything for your down payment? Because you're going to need some closing costs as well, and that's really important to keep in mind. You'll have your down payment, you got to pay your lawyer fees, and that land transfer tax. So to go over all these details, it's really important that you call me. Call me at 204-721-0093. Again, that's 204-721-0093, and get the right advice, get pre-approved, and let me help you get into your next home. Thank you.